It's time to review the S25 Ultra. Starting with the design, the phone is now slimmer and lightweight than the S24 Ultra. The corners are round. From the looks, you may think that the S25 Ultra is bulky, but actually this is because of the straight frame. But when you look from the up, you can see that it is actually thinner, and now with the Gorilla Glass Armor 2 protection, it is more durable than its predecessor. Yeah, the display size is now little bigger, but it's don't feel uncomfortable in hands, and also the in-display fingerprint scanner position is good. It also support 25-watt wireless charging, and it's G2 wireless charging supported. So for the design, I can say this is the best big size Android king from all other brands or even from Samsung predecessors. It is a pretty good phone, but the design is always subjective. For me, the S24 is much better, so it's up to you. Talking about the display, it's a 2600 nits high brightness Super AMOLED LTPO display with a new technology by Samsung that can improve the touch sampling in gaming and other things. And also there is AI for pro scaling to enhance your HDR photos, but it's not that much difference. The display is not very much different from its predecessor, but both are the best at their price range. The phone comes with Android 15 out of the box and get update until Android 22. It is Android 15 based One UI 7 based phone with a great software and AI features. Like everyone know how the object eraser is known as Samsung's best AI feature. It can generate things. Also there is the now bar that you can already know about. There is also a new thing called new now brief that can make a summary of your daily routines. Next up is the performance. All around the world, the Samsung S25 series comes with 8 Elite, and this is a very much capable processor for your handling of day-to-day tasks. And also with the changes in gaming hub, the game experience is much better in the phone. The phone have a better camera system, but the lenses are same except the ultra wide lens upgrade, so you can check camera reviews from other channels. But what I want to say that the all AI features are not free for all for long.